When you hit the checkout, just throw in my exclusive code, hit apply, and boom, $50 off. Simple as that. You can score the exact same savings no matter where you live, what currency you're paying with, or which plan you pick, because this promo code works across the board. All you've got to do is click the link down in the description, and it'll take you to this page. This is where you'll find the newest active coupon codes for Hostinger. Just tap the copy button, and it'll automatically send you over to their official site. From there, click on View Plans. The pricing and available options might look a bit different depending on your region, but one thing is for sure, my discount code will definitely work. Pick whichever plan suits you best. For this example, I'm going with the unlimited plan. Once the checkout page loads up, click Have a coupon code, paste it in, hit enter, and watch the price drop immediately. And keep in mind, this isn't just for the 48-month package. It works on the 24-month and 12-month options too. No matter which Hostinger tier you select, my code is going to get you the absolute best deal. So make sure to check out the link in the description to get started. The main reason you should pick Hostinger is their custom-built H-panel. Unlike other hosts that use outdated, bloated control panels, Hostinger designed H-panel from the ground up to be modern, ultra-clean, and fast. Everything you need, from connecting your domain to checking site performance, is neatly laid out on one simple dashboard. It makes running a website effortless, even if you have zero technical experience. You can install WordPress with a single click, set up custom emails, and manage your backups in seconds. It strips away all the complicated menus and headaches, so you can actually enjoy building and managing your site.